Good morning to Sir Azwan and my fellow friend. I from DKM 1B and my name is Jeremy Anna Anthony. My cut metric number is 20 DKM 22F1088.
My name is Engineering Anandangau. My metric number is 20 DKM 22F1064.
My name is Jong Seung Siang and my matrix number is 20 DKM 22F1020.
Next, my name is Frederick Bin February and my matrix number is 20 DKM 22F1013.
My name is Dr. Malana Francisco. I'm from class DKM 1B and my matrix number is 20 DKM 22F1010.
What is welding? Welding is the process of joining together piece of metal or metallic part by bringing them into intimate proximity and heating the place of content to a state of fusion or plasticity.
For gas welding is rarely used anymore and has been largely substituted by thick welding kits require oxygen and acetylene and are very portable. They are still sometimes used to weld bits of car exhaust back together.
TIG welding is extremely versatile, but it is also one of the more difficult welding techniques to learn, and Lincoln Electric TIG welder are skilled individuals. Two hands are needed for TIG welding. One hand feeds the rod whilst the other holds a TIG torch, creates the heat arc, which are used to weld most conventional metals, including aluminum, steel, nickel alloys.
Next, TIG welders can be used to weld steel, stainless steel, chromoly, aluminum, nickel alloy, magnesium, copper, brass, bronze, and even gold. TIG is a useful welding process for bike frame, lawn mowers, door handles, fenders, and more.
What are the basic concepts in welding technology? Welding is essentially the joining of two objects together using heat and or filler materials. The filler is heated to the point where it melts and is able to pull between the two objects. This results in a strong joint basic.
Arc welding is the process of joining metal pieces together with high heat from an arc that is generated and sustained by an electric current. The power supply can be electric current AC or a direct current DC. That's pretty both. So it's not surprising to find arc welding include popular welding process like stick, MAG, TIG, and flow current welding. All use an electric arc to weld. Notice this is more than just stick welding. Some use arc welding as slang to refer to stick welding. While it is a form of arc welding, is not the only one.
There are three basic types of oxy-acetylene flame vis: carburizing or reducing flame, neutral or balanced flame, and oxidizing flame. Apart from its chemical nature, this flame also differ in structure and shape. The carburizing and reducing flame has excess of acetylene and it is characterized by three stages of combustion instead of two-stage applicable to other two types of flames. The additional combustion stage is called the intermediate feeder that can be adjusted by controlling the flow rate of acetylene.
The advantage of arc welding: first, affordable cost of it for equipment and doesn't need much due to lack of gas. Secondly, portability, very easy to transport. Third, versatile and works well on metal that's dirty. Fourth, shielding gas not necessary, meaning the process can be completed in all types of weather, including wind or rain.
Next, the disadvantage of ARC welding is low efficient as more waste is produced compared to other types. Second, requires high skill level and training from the operator, meaning that this cannot be carried out by everyone. Third, thought to use on thin material.
Advantages of gas welding. It can be very widely varied of flame welding metals with different melting points. Iron, copper, lead, and brass better than welded using gas welding. With the right choice of the brand of the filler wire, the power and the type of wire produce high quality weld. When confirmed high quality of welds, welding is usually turnover present in the most responsive production sites.
The advantage of gas welding: with a thickness failing productive, welding thickness greater than 5 mm is the advantages. In these cases, apply arc welding when connecting overlapping metal thickness greater than 3 mm. To apply gas welding are not recommended because there is tension in the metal which can lead to deformation and destruction of adhesion.
And this is the type of welding joints. First, butt joint, corner joint, lamp joint, V-joint, and edge joint.
There are some safety precautions in welding that needs to be taken into account, such as never fuel the engine while running or in the presence of an open flame. Wipe up spilled fuel immediately and wait for fumes to disperse before starting the engines. Never remove the radiator pressure cap from liquid-cooled engines while they are hot to prevent scalding yourself. Always operate in open, well-ventilated area or vent the engine exhaust directly outdoors. Stop the engine before performing any maintenance or troubleshooting. The ignition system should be disabled to prevent accidental start of the engine. Keep all the guards and shield in place. Keep hands, hair, and clothing away from the moving parts.
In conclusion, modern welding mechanization guarantees highest efficiency, quality, productivity, and finish. Welding measures have improved numerous areas, and their preference have made welding or manufacture a developing industry, especially arc welding. Thank you.